Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing something that completely changed my focus, my productivity, and honestly, my peace of mind. We're talking about digital minimalism and how I decluttered my phone, my social media, and my mind. If your screen feels overwhelming, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Decluttering my phone. The first thing I tackled was my phone because it was the biggest source of noise in my life. I started by deleting apps I hadn't opened in months. Shopping apps, random games, duplicate photo editors, gone. Then I moved everything into 3 folders only: essentials, work, leisure. Suddenly my screen looked calm and I stopped mindlessly tapping random apps whenever I got bored. The rule I follow now: if an app doesn't make my life easier or better, it doesn't stay. Step 2. Cleaning my camera roll. This is the part most of us avoid. Thousands of screenshots, duplicate selfies, random memes. So here's what I did. Deleted old screenshots, removed accidental photos, cleaned duplicates using my phone's Similar Photos tool, organized important pictures into albums. Now I back up photos monthly so my phone doesn't get stuffed again. A clean camera roll equals less decision fatigue equals a clearer mind. Step 3. Social media detox. Social media was the biggest mental clutter for me, so I unfollowed. Accounts that made me compare myself, pages I never interact with, old classmates I don't connect with anymore, negative or stressful content. I kept only accounts that inspire me, teach me something, or make me smile. Remember, your feed should feel like your future, not your past. Step 4. Turning off non-essential notifications. This step changed everything. I turned off social media notifications, promotion alerts, news pop-ups, random app reminders. Now only calls, messages, and important apps can reach me. My phone stopped controlling me, and I got my attention back. Step 5. Creating boundaries with my phone. I gave myself simple rules. No phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up, no phone while eating, no phone during deep work, no scrolling after 10 p.m. These tiny habits helped me break that pick up phone every 3 minutes cycle. Step 6. Digital declutter for the mind. Once my phone and socials were cleaned, something amazing happened. My mind felt quieter too. I sleep better, I focus longer, and I don't feel digitally exhausted. I also started keeping a clean home screen, scheduling screen-free hours, doing 1 day per week with minimal online activity. Digital minimalism isn't about deleting everything, it's about keeping what truly matters. And that's how I decluttered my phone, my social media, and my mind using digital minimalism. Try 1 or 2 steps from this video today. Even the smallest changes can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which part of digital clutter stresses you the most? Your phone, photos, or socials? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.